What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make money with network marketing. Now, the reason why I want to talk about network marketing, number one, because I get a lot of questions from people asking how come I don't talk about it here on my channel. The reason why I don't talk about it here on my channel is I don't do a whole lot of network marketing anymore. I used to, made a good amount of money, but I just don't do it anymore. But what I want to address today is what is the number one reason why so many people inside the network marketing niche fail. What is it? What are they doing wrong? I'm going to show you exactly what it is right now. So let's go. Alright guys, so before I dive into what the biggest mistake is with network marketing that people make, I first just want to show you something, alright? This is called Network Marketing Secrets. This book is going to teach you how to use sales funnels to grow your network marketing team. It says it right there, okay? Now this book, it's a free book. You just have to pay shipping, all right? If you want to go check this out, okay, if you want to get Network Marketing Secrets for free, and again, you just have to pay shipping, just go, I'll put a link down in the description box below, and you can go get it today. Also, when you go and get it, you're going to get a book. You're actually going to get a book mailed to you, but Russell Brunson, the person that created the book and the founder of ClickFunnels, he is also going to give you instant access, all right? So you can get instant access right here because you can start reading it. I downloaded this book this morning, okay? Read this entire thing, and it's full of just great information that any network marketer would be lucky to have, all right? So go and get it. Now, here's the reason why I say go get this book, okay? If you look here, this is a course by Eric Worre, okay? He's a world-renowned, network marketer. Has made a lot of money, great entrepreneur. He charges $297 to take his master class, okay? And this is just one of many courses that he sells on network marketing, how to master it, how to build your team, all that great stuff, everything you need to know. But this is $297. This book is free. It's going to teach you just as much, and it's going to show you how you can actually get people into your business, into your downline, which is what you need. Now, let me show you what most people do. So here is a video over on YouTube, okay? It's titled, My First Month as a Distributor. It Works Global MLM. Okay, so this is talking about this person's first month. I guess her name's Trinity. Now, if you come down here, inside the description box, inside YouTube, she has a link right here. It says iwlandings.com Trinity Morel. We click on that. It takes you to this page right here. I think this is her phone number. We'll travel a little bit about her, shop, join, and she's got the cleanse, the confianza, greens, hair, skin, nails, all this stuff. Okay, join the party, pictures, great, all this fantastic stuff. Now, what's the likelihood somebody's actually gonna click shop and buy something just because they watched her video right here? Very small. Most people are not gonna do that. How many people do you think are going to join her business because they watched this video right here? Very few. Not a lot of people. Okay? This is just one person. Here's somebody over on Instagram. Her name is Terry Lynn. Okay? She promotes CBD and she also promotes It Works. Okay? Wonderful. Now, if we go and look at all this stuff, okay, she has, buy 2 months, get 1 free. All right, fantastic. You click on this link and there you go. Now you're actually on their website, okay? And it's talking about all their products. Okay, wonderful. So how many people do you think are going to go from her Instagram page right here and actually click on all this stuff and get her free wraps and do all this and click on the link and land on this page and buy something? Very few. The reason why is because you are taking people directly into the product and they have no clue about any other thing. Okay, let me show you something else. This right here, this is actually mine, okay? This is a landing page that I created, and this is exactly what Russell Brunson talks about inside the book, okay? If we come down here, let me see where we're at. If we come down here, right around here, the Epiphany Bridge, how to sell without selling. You're giving people information that they want, all right? And you're getting people to understand, okay, they need this. They have that epiphany. Okay, that's what I need. So this is something I created. It's a free guide. If you want to go get it, I'll put a link down in the description box below as well. It says a must-see 15 profitable online passive income streams. Start your passive income journey today. You can access the free guide. Okay. If they go and get this, put in their name and email address, what happens is later on I send them to this page, which is an order form to buy a $7 product. Okay. Very simple. Now, a lot of people do end up buying this product. I think I have about 23% of people end up buying this product. Okay, that's pretty good. So I have 100 people that land on this page. Okay, right here, they get this free gift. 22 to 23 people are actually going to buy this. Okay, which is pretty good money, right? But that's the difference between this person that is sending people directly to this page and never collecting their email address so they can't follow up with them. They never show them more information on how maybe this person that lands here doesn't want the products. They want to join the business. But on this page, this is the only button you can click that says join. All this other stuff, you're selling a product. Well, what if nobody cares about selling the product? They want to join the business because right here you're talking about my first month as a distributor. If you talk about how much money you made somewhere in here, which I don't know if she does, I didn't watch it, but if she does, and people are like, oh my God, that's what I need. They have that epiphany, like, that's the business for me. And then they click on the link and it's like, well, how do I get there? How do I start making money? This is the big problem. This is one of the reasons why a lot of network marketers fail within the first couple months. Usually it's within the first month. They pay the money to get into the network, okay? And it works, okay? The one that she's promoting here, it works, is a great business. It's one of the ones that I do a lot of teachings for. I teach a lot of distributors just like her how to build a business by creating a landing page like this, selling people something on the back end, and then funneling them over to the business. And it's very effective. It works. I'm not going to say it works 100% of the time, but the majority of people that opt into this page, want to know how to make passive income, so I sell them on this $7 mini course. This is me personally. I'm not promoting any type of network here. This is just an example. But this is also what Eric Worre, what he teaches is how you get people into the door. Okay, you want to recruit 20 people in 30 days? Great, you can do it, but you gotta get people in the door. That's what Russell Brunson is teaching from his book. Okay, from this book right here. Let me show you it again. This one right here. Okay, look at this. The viral loop. Got the epiphany bridge. You got a demo, a call to action, duplication. Okay, he talks about all this stuff. There's the epiphany bridge. You got emotion, the epiphany, then the logic. Okay, how does it work? You even got the scripts. Okay, you can also get the Expert Secrets book here as well. But there's a lot of stuff that he's talking about which really makes sense. Once you read the book and you apply it to your business, to your network, okay, you're going to understand why this works and why it's so effective. But again, you need the book. Go get the book, okay? Because you can start reading it today. Like I said, I downloaded this book this morning and I read the entire thing. Okay, read this entire thing, this PDF file that I was sent, read that entire thing, probably within a few hours. It doesn't take that long. Okay, if you are serious about making money inside network marketing, I highly recommend you go get this book, Network Marketing Secrets. This is going to tell you how to become successful, how to get the clients in the door, how to get your next lead, how to really build your downline. And if that's where you're struggling, which I think so many people are, this is what you need. You need somebody that's going to tell you, do this, do this, do this, step 1, step 2, step 3, and walk you through the process, because that's exactly what I had to do when I was getting into network marketing. I'll tell you a little story really quick. When I first got in, I signed up, I paid $179 a month, and I was selling gold coins. For every gold coin that I sold, I ended up making $99. And for every person I signed up in the business, I made, I think it was 3%, or no, I think it was 3 or 5% of whatever they bought. Okay? And the gold coin, I think at that time, ended up costing, I think it was right around $600 per coin or something like that. Anyway, I made some good money from that. And I learned how to do it, but the reason I learned is because somebody walked me through the process. That's exactly what Russell Brunson does. That's exactly what Eric Worre does. That's exactly what a lot of these big time network marketers or even just marketers do. And again, that's one of the reasons why I want to show you this book, is because I think it's so important that you understand the right way to build a downline, the right way to build your network. Okay? If you don't understand that, it's going to be almost impossible for you to be successful and start making money fast through network marketing. So hopefully this book right here hopefully you get it and read it for one. But if you do, I almost guarantee you're going to learn something from this one book that's going to change your life forever. So if you want to be successful in network marketing, doesn't matter what network you are in, doesn't matter how much money you're currently making, if you want to be successful right now, what you need to do first, go and get Network Marketing Secrets. That book alone is going to change your business forever. It's going to show you the right way to get people into your business, into your downline, so you can start making money as well as them. So if you have any questions on how to make money in network marketing, you can always ask down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, want more videos on network marketing, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.